Hello everyone, I am J. Anushri of class 10 studying in Konganadu Senior Secondary School, Valahavnamati, Namakkal. Now I am going to explain about breadboard connection and study of multimeter. What is a breadboard? Let's see. Breadboard is a plastic board with a bunch of tiny holes and is used for building and testing circuits. It has holes on them which are connected internally in a particular pattern. The holes which are connected through green line represent they are connected internally. The red line indicates power, which is normally connected to the power rail. The blue line indicates the ground, which is normally connected to the ground of the circuit. Here, the red line indicates the power rail, the blue line indicates the ground rail, and the green line indicates the circuit area. ICs like decade counter can be placed in the middle breadboard to share the first 8 pins to the yellow line and the second 8 pins to the green lines. Multimeter. What is a multimeter? Multimeter is a combination of voltmeter, ohm meter, and current meter. All parts contained in a single case. A same meter movement is used to measure all the three quantities. Multimeter is also known as volt, ohm, milliammeter. Various multimeter shots and battery are all contained inside the case selection. Switch is provided on the front panels to select that particular function, particular date for that function. In certain multimeter, sockets are used for selection, function and range. A single deal with the scales calibrated to read volt, ohm, milliamperes with the number of ranges for the quantity is generally used. Most multimeters are designed to measure DC as well as AC quantities. In AC voltage measurement, AC voltage is rectified by diode and converted in DC. Set of rotatory switch to an appropriate measurement position in voltage range. Break the current path to be tested and connect the red test lead to positive terminal and black test lead to the negative terminal in the circuit. Turn on the power to the circuit. Measure values shown on the display. Thank you.